How to make 2D animations. Like Rico animations, no drawing skills needed. Ever wanted to create amazing 2D animations like Rico animation, but don't know how to draw? No worries. With 2D Animes class, you'll learn everything about animation, from movement to action scenes, all on your phone and for free. No drawing skills? No problem. No expensive software needed, just your phone and 2D Anime class to guide you. This app is your personal animation tutor teaching you step by step. Let's see what you'll learn. 1. Intro to animation, bringing drawings to life. Animation is all about movement. D-Anime class breaks it down for beginners, teaching you the basics so you can bring your characters to life without drawing skills. 2. Principles of animation, the secret to smooth animations. What makes animation feel real? It's all about principles like squash and stretch, anticipation, easing, and timing. In 2D Animus class, you'll learn these secrets with easy-to-follow lessons. If you are still watching, kindly subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. 3. Storyboarding, planning your animations. Like a pro, great animation starts with great planning. Storyboarding helps you map out your scenes before animating. 2D Animus class will teach you how to create a simple storyboard step by step. 4. Camera view, creating dynamic and cinematic shots. Want your animations to feel like movies? 2D Anime class teaches you how to use camera angles, zooms, and perspective to make your animations more exciting. 5. The right tools. Everything in one app. No need for multiple apps. 2D Animus class has all the tools you need to animate, from motion tools to lip syncing. It's an all-in-one learning app to take you from beginner to pro. 6. Character design. Creating unique characters. Easily, even if you can't draw, you can still create amazing characters. 2D Anime class teaches you how to design stick figures, customize colors, and add personality to your animations. 7. Walking cycle. Making characters walk. Naturally, a smooth walking cycle is essential for any animation. 2D Anime class breaks it down frame by frame so you can create a natural walk in minutes. 8. Lip sync. Make your characters talk. Want to animate conversations? 2D Anime class teaches you how to match mouth movements with dialogue so your characters talk realistically. 9. Body movement. Creating realistic action scenes. Want to create fight scenes like Rico animation? 2D Animus class will teach you how to animate punches, kicks, jumps, and realistic action with proper weight and movement. 10. Create a full animation. Bring everything together. Once you've mastered the principles, it's time to put everything together and create your own full animation. 2D Anime class will guide you from start to finish. So, are you ready to start animating? Download 2D Anime class today and begin your journey into animation, step by step. No experience needed. How to download the app? Want to get started? Just visit my website, click on Animation, and download the app. Right now, it's not on Play Store yet, but we're working on it. If you're excited to start, like, subscribe, and comment below on what animations you want to create next. Let's build an animation community together. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. See you in the next video. Happy animating!